how to make money on Upwork as an ebook writer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create or how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started first by clicking on the get started button. This one to create our account. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer looking for work. Then click on apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. And for me, I'm just going to click on login because I've already created my account. And then click on continue with email. And the password, click on login. And here you proceed to creating your profile, and this is the last step of creating the profile. So I'm going to go back to show you the steps and how you can do that from the beginning. Just wait for me to go back, and here this is the first step. You click on get started to proceed to the next steps, and here you will have some questions to go through. I'm going to skip them for now. Skip this, skip those as well. And here you tick all of these boxes. Then click on next to create a profile. And here, how would you like to tell us about yourself? If you already have a resume in your LinkedIn profile, you can just import it. If you have one in a PDF file or something like that, you can upload it in here. If not, you can easily fill it out manually. It will take less than 15 minutes. So just be patient with me. I'm going to show you how you can create or how you can fill out your resume manually. So the first thing is you type your skill, which is an ebook writer. And then click on next to add your experience. So here you can add your experience by clicking on the plus button in here. You can add your experience by filling these information. Same thing with the education as well. Just click on the plus button and you'll be able to fill all of these information. So I'm just going to skip these two. And here you will have the language. So you can add as many languages as you can speak, and English is a must in this platform. And here you choose the proficiency of the language. If it's, so for me it's conversational, and you can add as many languages as you can speak. So for me, I can speak Arabic as well. It's even my native language. And in case I can speak a little bit French. Let's search for French. And my level in it is basic. And then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter your skills in here. For me, I'm just going to choose the suggested skills. It's based on my previous answer when I said I'm an ebook writer. After that, click on next to write an overview or a bio. That, as you can see, now write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. Help people to get to know you at a glance. What work do you do best? Tell them clearly using paragraphs or bullet points. You can always edit this later. Just make sure you're proofread now. So guys, in the bio, it's very important for your profile. So make sure to pay attention and to give it some time to think about a good bio. You can even use ChatGPT, but you can't rely on it 100%. You will need to make some adjustments, add some more information, or organize the information that ChatGPT gives you, and you'll have a great bio for your profile. So for me to save time and not to make the video very long, I'm just going to copy my friend Marty's description. I'm very sorry, Marty, but I have no option. I want to get through to the next step, and to do that I will need to fill the bio field. Then click on next to choose your category. So here they already suggested services for me, which is content creating, content writing. After that, you click on next to set your price. So here I'm going to choose $15 per hour, and the service fee is $1.50, and I'm getting 13.5. So that's very good. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here you add the date of birth, country, state address, and so on. And the most important thing is the photo. So here make sure to upload a very professional photo of your face, obviously. As you can see, show clients the best version of yourself. Must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just keep that in mind, guys. And make sure to upload your own picture in here. And after you upload the picture and you're done with all of the information, click on review your profile. And after that, you will go to improve your profile, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So here, I'm going to go back first to the main page. Go click on the search button in here, type ebook writers, ebook writer, and you will see a lot of competitors, same as you, ebook writers, and just spy on the best ones in the platform, see what they are doing differently, how is their description, their profile picture, how they interact with the possible clients, and make sure to get inspiration from that. Sometimes copy and paste in your profile and see if it will work for you. So just how you can improve your profile basically. And after that, if you want to get jobs and not wait to people to come to your profile, if you want to find work yourself, you can go to find work, click on the option in the middle, find work for your skills, and here you can find the best freelance jobs just by typing your skill in here, which is ebook writing, ebook writer. And let's see what are the listed jobs that we have. So here we have 2 jobs, as you can see, $200, ghostwriting needed, $200. So you can apply for whatever job you'd like. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.